Demons keep flying on me, but I ain't selling my soul. Gotta shake through the pressure like a water. Can't stop it, wanna get to the top. All the purpose, trying to block it, but it's prophecy. Watching the line, I heard them say that it's mine. Been running this thing like cardio. Putting miles on the easy, see the whole city from the patio. They should never believe me.
Never want to fuck with you, no get regret. Cause when we ride the tat, you don't want to see when we attack. I could be lying to you, but am I though? You choosing me, you choosing the hoe. You told me I'm not the hoe, but add the M-E, home, that's where I be. No, I am doing me. 2023, what do you see? You wanna see that bullshit? That bullshit ain't got nothing to me. Don't mean nothing to me. I don't even know what I'm saying today, but I know that I don't play. And you know, my daddy don't play, and my mama don't play. And I could be lying about what I say. Am I though? 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 I am not the hoe. Bitch, you want war, you got. Okay, mother.
Demons keep flying on me, but I ain't selling my soul. Been running this thing like cardio. Putting miles on the easy, see the whole city from the patio. They should never believe me. Looking at the game like
Military brat, military family. Bitch, you don't want to play with us, really. Go, Michael, go, Michael, go. Out here with family, yo. We outside, bitch. I mean, like, we outside. But you got some smoke. Okay. I'm just doing me, playing nature. I got food, too. Anyway. Leaving food on my purse in here. How do you do that, what you do? I don't know. Like I said, I'm just doing me. Ooh, and I would go hug a tree, but I'm still suffering a little anxiety from the oak mites. So I'm gonna wait. I'm not looking for it to be cold. You know what? At a certain point, though, my body's just whatever you did to me, or maybe God did that for me. You know, I do have a legacy. I really do take care of my body. You know how you keep using up your body and you wonder why. Depression. Oh my God. Ooh, this is burnt black. Definitely don't eat that. Don't try to get funny with colors, okay? Because I told you, you don't want me to clap back about you sandy people. Nothing grows here. You need real dirt, real earth, my dear. And that's brown. Don't play me. Anyway, where do? I can hug a pine tree. Pine trees are cool. All trees are cool. You just gotta know. Like this thing is my. Watch that. Poison ivy and poison oak be out here too. And it's got pine. Hug a tree, hug a tree. See, there's always gonna be trees for me to hug and love. Wait a minute, take a picture. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Just showing love on a beautiful day. Dandelions. Dandelions. Daddy, mommy, and nature. That is a tree I cannot touch. That's an oak tree, you know what I mean? Hey, buddy. What a beautiful day. People say I'm not special. Oh, I'm very special. How are you not special? You're mad at me because I choose to live and be special. If I say planes fly over me to protect me, then they do. And it's true. You know why I'm mad? Well, the planes just be flying everywhere. Okay, then, bitch, you. But you know why you hate? Because you're a sad old drunk. Stinky ass skunk. Your ship has sunk. So you want to be mad. So sad. All I can say is that veil is thin. You coming for me and my health? And my mommy and daddy told me to tell you, really, I said this, kill yourself. Damn. You know your word is law. That was a happy scream. I'm on these babies' team. You know what I mean? You want to do some bullshit to me? You want to kill me? Bitch, kill yourself. This ain't a return to sender. Just remember, I'm not the Reaper, but I might be the Reaper's kid. #Halloween.